Hey guys, Jessica Siobhan here. I'm going to be painting my chicken Britney. All of my chickens are named after singers, so this one is Britney after Britney Spears. So you can see I outlined in green first and I used my little color wheel. I still look at a visual color wheel in my mind. I just don't think that way. I'm a little dyslexic, so it's hard for me to think about colors that are opposite from one another. So when I want to see colors that I think kind of vibe together, I'll just look at the color wheel. And you can see that I start with the darkest colors that I see in the picture. So I started with kind of a navy blue, and then I'm popping in some darker browns and oranges. I spend a lot of time on details in the face, or I guess a chicken has a face, right? So here I am spending a lot of time on those wattles and that beak. I don't know, I just like to have attention on the face, and then I get a little more impressionist-y with the feathers and the body of the piece. So this series is for an art show that I'm in called The Mighty Minis. It's at the Garage in Virginia Beach. And so we have 3 mini paintings that we're doing, and I decided to make my series about my chickens. So you can see I turned the canvas upside down. A lot of times when I'm painting, I will turn my canvas or pictures upside down. It just kind of tricks your brain and it makes you see things that maybe you were making up after a while. So I don't know, staring at something in the same direction kind of gets boring. So there she is, and I'll finish her up later. Thanks for checking her out.